Welcome to the tutorial for EXScan OMP. In this tutorial, we will explore the software designed to help you use H2 to facilitate the creation of prostheses and orthoses.
Okay, so for the connection part, here's our cable. One side is the USB and the power. You need to plug in the power in this hole. And then the other side to your computer USB port, which needs USB 3.0. And the other side is for the scanner. You need to plug in the two cables, and you can see an arrow here and also here. Just align them together.
To get started, you will need to log into your Shining 3D account to activate your device. If you don't have an account yet, just click the register here and follow steps to create your account. Once you are logged in, you will see various scanning modes available: cranial, face, upper limb, torso, lower limb, full station, socket, and sitting. Select the mode that suits your needs, and you are ready to begin scanning. For demonstration purposes, I will illustrate the process using the cranial and full station modes.